Halloween is right around the corner, and what better way to get into the holiday spirit than going through a haunted car wash?
Ooh, this is the first year All American Super Car Wash is holding a haunted car wash. That was my evil laugh for that.
It worked.
So Thursday night through Saturday, for the next 3 weeks, you can get suds and spooked all at the same time. Owner of All American Car Wash, Larry Ayers, says the idea came to him at a car wash convention in Houston. Now, starting at 6 p.m., folks can drive through the car wash while being greeted by spooky characters. Ayers says if you don't want to participate, you don't have to. You can just get a regular car wash by leaving up your windows and just notify the staff that, hey, you don't want to participate.
It's plain fun is what we call it. So going to get a clean car and a good scare out of it.
Why not? What a great idea. Ayers says that the car wash will close down 30 minutes before this spooky event. Also, for each haunted car wash that is purchased, All American Super Car Wash will donate $1 to Pet's low-cost spay and neuter.
Very nice.
Always love that.